What's up, guys? Welcome back! So, I've sat in a lot of camping chairs that made me feel like a giant crammed into a lawn chair. This one's supposedly rated for 500 pounds and has a built-in cooler. I gotta see this for myself. Okay, so first thing, it comes in this bag, which honestly already makes me happy because that's storage sorted. I don't gotta figure out where this thing lives in my garage. Let's get it out. Okay, yeah, you can just feel this is not some flimsy dollar store chair. This fabric's thick. It's called 600D cationic. Basically means it's built to get dragged around campsites and not rip. And the frame's a rust-resistant coated steel, so leaving it out in the rain isn't gonna wreck it. No tools, no instructions, nothing. You just pop it open and it locks. Takes like 3 seconds. Done. And okay, this is why it's called oversized. 500-pound weight capacity. Seat areas 39 by 22.5 by 39 inches. If you've ever sat in a camp chair and felt like your elbows were hanging off the sides, this fixes that. There's actual room to exist in this thing. It's padded pretty much everywhere. Seat, backrest, even the headrest. Not gonna lie, this is nap by the campfire level comfortable. Not just technically a chair comfortable. Okay, this is the part that got me. It's got a built-in insulated cooler bag, holds up to 9 cans. So you're not carrying a separate cooler and a chair anymore. It's just one trip. That's kind of genius, honestly. Plus, there's an adjustable double cup holder right here, so your drink's not tipping over every time you move. Beach, tailgate, backyard, wherever. And when you're done, folding it back up is just as easy. No fighting with it, no pinched fingers. It just collapses right back into the bag. Toss it in the trunk and you're out. Look, heavy duty, stupid comfortable, and it's basically got a cooler built in. For what it costs, I think this actually earns the hype. Links down below if you want one. Let me know in the comments if you want me to actually test that 500-pound claim, and I'll catch you in the next one.